Hey guys, so I'm Joey. I'm building Create. It's the music trading platform. So really quick about me, I'm a music producer. Previously, I used to live with, funny enough, Jake Paul, the old Team 10 house. Yeah, but basically, there was like a bunch of artists that would come there. Like it was kind of like a mini label. So I basically got to work with like a lot of big artists, like the Kid Laroi, Lil TJ, Tyler Yahweh. Basically, get started in music. From that experience, I basically just like saw how broken the music industry is, and yeah, got pushed to basically jump into crypto from there. I had like a bunch of songs with like basically it's like did not get paid on, like missing royalties, disputes, like people saying like I took their sample when it was like on a splice sample, lots of stuff. So sorry, I'm just like just landed, just kind of getting into the flow. But yeah, so I've been hacking crypto since 2021. Did a few projects. I was a finalist at ETH Global New York 2023 for a game we built called Framed, and then started launched Create last month. So really quick, this is like what the app kind of looks like. Kind of dig into it in a second. So when we talk about crypto music, we obviously remember music NFTs. Like not remember, like they exist, but why didn't they work? Why didn't they really like go mainstream? And I believe the reason is because you can't flip them. Buyers don't make money. Now, why is this important? Basically, 3 reasons. The first reason is buyers don't have infinite money. There's not like there's limited capital. So if you're gonna go and buy music NFTs, there's a point where you don't have enough money to keep buying them. So for me, early on, first couple of months of like February 2021, like the big rush, I bought a bunch of music NFTs, couple $1,000 I spent, and then I was tapped out like right away. And yeah, so the next reason is there's no viral story. So like if you think about what's like the #1 crypto headline, like what sells, like what makes people join? It's Monkey JPEG sells for $1 million, right? You never really see a headline that's like XYZ artist sold 100,000, free editions on Side XYZ. Like that's not really a headline. So price go up is like the marketing narrative in crypto. And then the third reason is opportunity cost. So let's say I have 1 ETH. How much of that 1 ETH am I gonna put into music NFTs versus random DeFi stuff or meme coins or whatever the opportunity is at the time? Like how much do you want your money to be going towards like collecting versus like potentially making money? So that's the 3 reasons. Speculation is good. So Create is basically if SoundCloud came out today. So basically we're focused on trading song coins. Anyone can upload or make a song with AI, and artists earn 0.5% of every single trade. You're basically incentivized to catch songs before they go viral, and also help make a song go viral. If there's a song that you find that you think is really good, you're incentivized to share it, promote it, because you hold the coin. So fair trade for you. Tweet or cast about Create, make a song about you or your project, and send you your first song coins. So that's the Twitter, that's the Warpcast channel. You can scan that, and a tweet will pop up for you. So yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was fun. And I mean, yeah, that's pretty quick. But like, I think before Q&A, I think I'll do a demo of the product. So yeah, I know. I literally made these slides like on my phone. This, super hectic. But anyways, this is great. Let me just connect my wallet. Okay. So this is a site. Let me zoom in. So you can go, so basically anyone can go and launch a song coin. So you have 2 options. You can make with AI or upload. So just for fun, we'll make one with AI. And I mean, you guys have seen AI music, so it can be whatever you want. But like, I don't know, a song about I don't know, like running, like missing 10 flights in a row. I don't know. Okay. Let that generate. Okay.
10 flights gone again, walking to the gate. Why does it feel so slow? 10 times on left, 10 flights gone again, walking to the gate.
All right. Okay. So yeah, let's go with this one. So launch this song, and then you can name it. I mean, missing flights is fine. Missing flights, and then ticker. I don't know. Delay. I don't know. That's fine. Launch token. Okay. Let that go through.
Is this base or blast?
Oh, this is base. Okay, there's missing flights. I got the song going. And yeah, you can basically go ahead and buy it. So I don't know, let's put some ETH into that. And yeah, you basically have tradable music. So go to the site, yeah. There it is, there's a chart, activity, and yeah, so that's the product. There's a few more fun things. So like you have like a portfolio and like you could see like, it's kind of cool because like you're kind of like building like your own personal record label. That's how I think about it. But there's a few more fun things coming that I'll share later. But yeah, this is great. This is like the V1. So.